Right, what is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So this is the fourth video in this series, which we are gonna be taking guys over a full tricep workout. I believe 4 to 5 exercises that are really essential for your triceps to grow, and we're gonna be taking you guys over that. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into it. All right, guys. For the warm up, I'm not actually sticking to a specific exercise. I'm just gonna be going ahead and doing a freestyle movement with the Olympic rings. So let's get straight into it. Really, this takes up really much of your energy because you're using your entire body weight. Right, guys, next warm-up exercise that we'll be doing is overhead barbell skull crushers. Just do like 2 sets of this exercise and you'll be good to go and move on to the workout directly. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get into the workout. Alright guys, so as you already know, tops off for the boys and hitting the first exercise of this tricep workout, which is tricep extensions. Make sure to lock your elbows. That gives a really amazing pump for the triceps. Moving on to the second set, guys. And I really have to bump up the speed of the workout because I am again late for work. It's like 3 p.m. and I have to be at work at 4 p.m. So I have like 30 minutes to shoot this entire workout. Again, guys, the more slow and controlled movement you guys do, it's going to be more beneficial for you guys in order to get the entire muscle gain and increase in strength. Okay guys, so the third and the last set, which is going to be pretty hard because I had bumped up the weight like way too high after getting into this tricep workout for a while now. That was crazy. As you guys can see, look at the tricep separation. It's like really swollen, but that's what you actually do once you get into the gym. That your muscles swell up after being broken down into really small things. And look at the muscle fibers. That's how this workout has been helping me and getting me into shape. Check this out, this entire thing. His entire triceps and the shoulders that you guys can already see. Okay guys, so the next and the second exercise for your triceps to grow, skull crushers with the easy bars specifically, because that really does it for us. Just gotta adjust the weight on the plates and let's get into it. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we live. Okay guys, moving on to the third set. Alright guys, moving on to the third exercise of the tricep killer workout, which would be reverse grip tricep extensions. Again, what I like to do here is a little bend forward, which targets the triceps. Look at the pump, guys. I'm not sure if you guys can even see, but my triceps are entirely swollen. Moving on to the second set of the third exercise. I'm tired. I'm really tired. Oh god. Let's get into it. Guys, we're done with the third workout. Alright guys, so this exercise is going to be overhead extensions just with the easy bar. Okay guys, let's get into the second set. Second set out of the way. The reason that this workout is, or maybe gets really hard, is because I really do have shortage of time also. So I am actually pacing up the entire workout, and due to that I'm getting the pump quite easily. Whoa, shit. Can I do it after that? Yes, I can. So yeah guys, that was the fourth exercise. Now to finish it off, we're gonna go ahead and do the diamond push-ups, which is gonna give us the entire burner. Okay guys, let's get into the diamond push-ups. Shit, that's all I have left in me. Okay guys, doing another variation. Just a wider grip and touching my elbows to the floor. Shit. So with that, we are done with the triceps workout, and you guys can see the entire pump in the triceps. Pretty swollen, and even from both ends that you guys can see. I'm not sure if this should be the thumbnail or this should be the thumbnail. Alright guys, so with that, we are done with the entire workout. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends. Comment down below how you like the video and what other videos you guys like me to make. Go watch the other parts of this entire series on my YouTube channel, and peace out.